Well, hello everybody. Welcome to another edition of Wrecked Rebuild. This is Dave, and working on my 2010 Suburban. And as I've shown earlier, we got a door got folded back in the accident, probably when they popped the door open, tried to get the driver out. This brace bracket right here, I'm going to take it off, straighten it up, and thought I was getting that with the new front end, but I didn't, and they shorted me the bracket that comes off right here, just like the other side. Anyway, a little bit of an update. I've got the core support and radiator, all that stuff's back in. Lines are hooked up. Got it bolted up to this fender over here, which was good. Didn't have to replace it. So got the bumper on. Everything goes pretty quick, really, considering. Got the AC core hooked back up. Basically all the lines so far. We got to hook up this auxiliary cooler right here yet. Ran out of time the other day, but anyway, obviously I'm going to leave everything loose till I can get this fender and hood on, get everything lined up. And fortunately, it's a cool day, but the sun's shining, so maybe I can get something done. Now again, another part of the project. Did have blown airbag driver, of course. Real simple removal. Nothing hard at all. All you need is an Allen wrench, about the biggest one that'll fit in the hole. You do have to do a little fishing around a little bit to get it to pop loose. Mine came out fairly easy. Just I had to work around. You got to use your other hand. There's two access holes, as you can see on the steering wheel, going from each side, and you insert the Allen wrench in the access hole. That's not wanting to fit on that side for some reason. Again, so you just insert it, kind of have to play around with it, and I don't know, see if we, once you get the release, you can see it moving there. Same thing on the other side. Just get your Allen wrench in there. You kind of got to play around with it a little bit, push, it pops up just slightly. You can get a hold of it and pull the one side loose, and then do the same thing on the opposite side. So that done, of course, you got color-coded connectors. Sorry. You do, when you remove these, you have to pull this little lock pin up. Then you got a tab on each side, of course, and you just pinch those together, it'll pop loose. But one thing to remember, you do have to raise this lock clip up in order to release this. Okay, well, that's probably one of the easiest things you'll ever do as far as a rebuild. And like I said, blown bag. I'm trying to find a cover for it. For some reason, I may have to get a different color and get some color bond and paint this the same color as the accent trim. So plenty of black ones, plenty of gray ones, some other colors out there and stuff. I haven't found one this color yet. Actually having a hard time finding out what this darker trim color is. I think I'm getting close, but 250, 350, 400, average price seems to be around $300 for one. Ouch, but you got to have it. So anyway, as soon as I find one of those, I'll let you guys know, and I'm going to work on some more of this, see what else I can get into today. All right, well, Wreck Rebuild, and we'll see you next time.